Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can crop videos on Capcut PC. So I'm just going to add this video on the timeline, like on the track, and if I want to just crop it out, I can select the video and select the crop button here and just crop it to my liking. These are the things you can change. The current crop ratio is free, but this is the Instagram one, and there's also 3x4, 4x3, 16x9, and 9x16. You can also rotate it as well. I'm just going to redo that and close it. But once you are done, for instance, cropping it like that, just press confirm. You can also kind of crop it out using the mask button. So if I select mask and select the rectangle one, I can freely crop it as well, but I just won't know the exact ratio is, but I will know the size. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!